Today, I'm going to be telling you about a superfood that by the end of this video, you are going to want to add to your chicken's diet. And that superfood is black soldier flies, or as you'll see on many forums, BSF. So today we're going to talk a little bit about what black soldier flies are, how you can harvest your own, where you could purchase them, and why they're going to be a great decision to add to your chicken's diet. I'm Danielle of Split Arrow Farm, and welcome to our channel where we bring you new content on homesteading and farming every single week. So if you aren't already a part of our journey, please make sure to hit that subscribe button because we'd love to have you along for the ride. Black soldier flies might seem like candy to your chickens, and I know when I shake that bag, they definitely come running, but they also are packed with nutritional value that's actually going to be a great source that you can be adding to your chicken's diet. And this is because they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and protein that are going to help your chickens lay better eggs and grow healthier. It's also going to make sure that they grow lots of great feathers, and that is because feathers are mostly made of protein, which this black soldier fly mixture is full of as well. And this source of protein is going to be awesome to add to maybe your chicken feed that you already give them, table scraps, as well as any foraging that they do. And the best way to be able to offer this to your chickens is just to give them a few handfuls throughout the day. You'll actually find that one pound bag can feed up to 5 chickens for a month, and that's by just giving them sporadic handfuls throughout the day. It's also great if you do have free ranging chickens and you need to get them in. The black soldier flies are really going to lure them back into the coop so that they can go in and have a safe night without any predators. Let's talk about black soldier flies. So the black soldier fly is actually a part of the Stratomydia family. I'm going to add the name down below. I'm really bad at pronouncing those types of things, but they are a great type of bug, and they're super environmentally friendly. They will have their entire lifespan from egg all the way until the fly stage in just 6 weeks. And during those life stages, the larva stage is when they're actually going to be turning waste into the black larvas. So you're gonna find that they can actually turn 20 pounds of waste into just 1 pound of larva, and they're going to be great for the environment in decreasing that amount of waste. They're actually going to eat about double their weight in waste per day, and they're really going to thrive off of any type of organic waste that you don't need. So think of any type of rotten foods, any type of manure, items from your garden, anything of the likes is going to be something that you can actually feed to these if you do decide to grow and harvest your own. So that's going to be really great for that as well. Some other advantages are you're going to find that they are a really dry animal, so they're not any slimy type of bug. They do not sting humans, so you don't have to worry about being stung in any type of way, and they have no smell. So they're really easy to take care of, and they don't require any items that you really need drastically, and they're going to have a really quick life cycle. Now let's talk about how you're actually going to get your black soldier flies. So there's going to be probably 2 different ways that you can get black soldier flies for your chickens. One is going to be you can actually harvest your own. So we've done a video on how to harvest your own worms, and I'll link that up above. And black soldier flies are not too much different. They really enjoy a dark environment, around the same type of temperatures as those worms, and they're going to be really easy to take care of. The only thing is you are going to want to find a reputable dealer to get your black soldier flies from, and then you can start to harvest your own. And they're really fast at taking waste and really minimizing that. So you're going to see an insane transformation of the amount of waste that these black soldier flies can really take on. Another way that you can get black soldier flies for your chickens is to actually purchase them dried out. So we've been using Grub Terra and our chickens really love it. It's making their eggs so much stronger, their feathers are getting a lot healthier, and a bag like this is going to be able to feed around 5 chicken per month by just giving them some small handfuls. So I'll provide a link down of this below, but this has been something that our chickens love. It's been great at luring them into our coop if our dogs are feeling a little tired, and it's also made us a lot closer to some of our newer layers that are growing up and kind of giving them a little more love and capability for us to touch them. So I'm going to feed them to some of our chickens now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again next time.